Today, we're breaking down State Farm versus Allstate auto insurance in a simple, honest way that helps you understand what each company actually offers and which one is a better fit for the way you drive. I'm Erin from Drivewise, and the goal here is to make this whole process feel easy, no confusing insurance terms, no fluff, just a real comparison. State Farm and Allstate are two of the biggest names in the insurance world, but they deliver their coverage very differently. Once you see how each one frames its savings, tools, discounts, and support, the difference becomes very clear. So let's start with the basics, what auto insurance is and why these differences matter for your wallet and your peace of mind. What auto insurance is and why it matters. Auto insurance is more than just a requirement. It's a financial safety net that steps in during some of the most stressful, unexpected moments of your life. When an accident happens, whether it's your car or whether it's your fault or someone else's, the costs can escalate instantly. Repairs, medical bills, rental cars, legal responsibility, these things add up faster than most people expect. That's exactly why insurance exists. A good auto insurance policy has three main jobs. First, it protects your money. If you accidentally damage someone else's car or injure someone while driving, your liability coverage is what pays for those costs. Without it, these bills come directly out of your own pocket. Second, it protects your car. Whether it's hit by another vehicle, damaged by hail, broken into, stolen, or dented by something unexpected, you don't want to lose the car you rely on every day, or have to pay thousands to fix it. And third, it protects your peace of mind. Most drivers never think they'll be in an accident, but anyone who has been will tell you it happens when you least expect it. Insurance turns those moments from life-disrupting emergencies into manageable situations. Both State Farm and Allstate offer these types of protection, but the way they explain them, the tools they give you, and the way they support you before, during, and after an accident couldn't be more different. Understanding those differences is what helps you choose a company that won't just protect you on paper, but will protect your sanity and your wallet when it matters. What each company is known for. State Farm has built its entire identity on stability. They are one of the most recognizable and trusted insurance companies in the world, and for good reason. They've been around for over 100 years. Their system is built around real agents, real customer service, and real support. They focus on walking you through the process instead of pushing you to figure everything out yourself. State Farm feels steady. They feel traditional in the best way. If you're someone who values security, guidance, and a predictable experience, State Farm is the company that fits that mindset. Allstate takes a different approach. They lean heavily into technology, tools, savings, incentives, and mobile app convenience. Their message is bold, modern, and direct, like showing an average savings of $713 when switching. They highlight Drivewise, which tracks your driving and rewards you for doing it safely. They show off their app as a one-stop shop for bills, ID cards, and account management. Allstate feels quick and digital. They aim for customers who want everything on their phone and enjoy earning rewards for certain behaviors. When you put these two identities side by side, the difference is simple. State Farm feels like long-term security. Allstate feels like short-term convenience. Now let's talk about State Farm. First thing you want to do is click the link down below to get started. When you look at State Farm's auto insurance, the first thing you notice is how grounded the tone is. It's not flashy, it's not pushing big promises. Instead, it focuses on protection, clarity, and making sure you understand how everything works. So let's click on car. And we can see here, so they have a clear explanation of coverage. State Farm breaks down its auto coverage in a way that feels approachable even for someone who's never purchased insurance before. So they explain that liability protects you financially if you cause damage or injuries. And they even explain that comprehensive covers unexpected incidents like storms, thefts, and vandalism. And they go into detail on what collision insurance does cover and what they do not cover. And they also explain that uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage helps you if the other driver didn't carry enough coverage. Nothing feels complicated, nothing feels rushed. It's insurance written in plain English. Rather than just showing one big savings number, State Farm focuses on programs that lower your rate consistently over time. They have Drive Safe and Save is their behavior-based program that rewards safe drivers, but it's handled in a claim, non-gamified way. You drive, State Farm monitors certain metrics, and you save based on consistency and not dramatic changes. Steer Clear supports young and new drivers so they can start their insurance journey with good habits, education, and a path toward lower long-term rates. These programs are not gimmicks. State Farm designed them to reduce your rate over years, not just during a promotional period. We also got some bundling advantages. State Farm emphasizes bundling in a very practical way. You can combine auto with renters, homeowners, condo, or life insurance to simplify everything under one company. The advantage here isn't just the savings, although those are strong, it's the organization. You get one company, one app, one customer service system, and one claim experience across your life. The overall vibe of State Farm is structured and reliable. You always know what to expect. You get clear guidance, nothing feels hidden or sudden. And when something does go wrong, you have multiple ways to get help, including real local agents who actually know your city, your streets, and your community. Allstate's auto insurance page delivers much more modern and punchy experience. They lead with strong savings language, so drivers who switched save an average of $713. It is quick, concise, and designed to get your attention. Allstate emphasizes the idea that switching to them can save you hundreds. This creates instant curiosity, but savings vary widely depending on your driving history, your location, and your coverage needs. So while the number is appealing, it is not guaranteed. Allstate promotes Drivewise as a major selling point. So let's look into Drivewise. So it tracks your driving behavior, such as braking, speed, and time of day, and rewards safe habits with discounts. So this is a great program for drivers who enjoy using apps and like seeing metrics and badges, but it's not ideal for people who prefer privacy or don't want to be evaluated constantly. They also highlight their mobile app as a key feature. Everything from paying your bill to assessing your insurance ID is available with just a tap. It is convenient if you're someone who lives on your phone and wants everything instant. Allstate also notes that you can save more by paying on time, paying in full, or enrolling in automatic payments. These discounts reward consistency, which is helpful for organized drivers. They close with "You're in good hands," which is their classic reassurance. It's familiar and comforting, but it's a tagline, not a description of actual support structure. Overall, Allstate feels modern, incentive-based, and app-driven. They try to appeal to drivers who want quick savings, handy tools, and a flexible digital experience. It is a very different approach than State Farm's grounded, structured system. How these experiences feel different. The biggest difference between State Farm and Allstate is emotional. State Farm makes you feel steady and protected, like you're building a long-term relationship with your insurance company. Allstate makes you feel active and rewarded, like you are participating in a system that changes based on your behavior, One feels calm and consistent, the other feels dynamic and modern. Neither one is necessarily better than the other. It just depends on the type of driver you are. Parallel benefits. Both companies offer bundling, safe driver savings, and digital tools, but the way they present them is different. State Farm's bundling saves money while giving you a unified protection system for your home, car, and life. Allstate's bundling focuses on increasing your savings based on how many products you add. State Farm's Drive, Safe, and Save feels grounded and straightforward. Allstate's Drivewise feels like a tech feature with rewards. State Farm's mobile app supports your policy, and Allstate's mobile app is one of their biggest selling points. State Farm's brand confidence comes from their history and agent network. Allstate comes from catchy slogans and tech-forward tools. So which one is better? The truth is, each company serves a different type of driver. Allstate is ideal for people who love apps, want to track their driving, and enjoy earning discounts from specific behaviors. Their system works well for people who don't mind being constantly evaluated and who enjoyed gamified savings. But if you're looking for long-term stability, the kind of company you can depend on year after year, State Farm stands out. They focus on clarity and structure. Their program feels stable and trustworthy. Their bundling options are more complete. Their support network is stronger, and their entire system is built for reliability, not just short-term rewards. If you want a policy that feels consistent, guided, and secure, State Farm is often the better fit. They're rooted in a century of experience and supported by real agents, real customer service, and millions of claims handled every single year. For the majority of drivers, especially families, commuters, and people who want peace of mind without constant monitoring, State Farm delivers a smoother, more dependable experience. All right, so now let's look at State Farm's pricing. So they do more than list monthly costs. It shows you how different coverage levels change your financial risk. When you compare the basic, standard, and premium plans side by side, you're really comparing how much protection you want versus how much cost you're comfortable with. The basic plan at $108.23 a month is the minimum legal coverage. The bodily injury limits are $30K to $60K, and property damage is $15K, which is why the price is low. The key takeaway here is simple. Low limits equals low protection. If a major accident happens, these limits can run out quickly, and anything beyond them comes out of your pocket. The standard plan at $295.35 a month raises liability limits to $50K or $100K, increases property damage to $50K, and adds emergency roadside service. This is where you start protecting your actual savings, not just meeting the legal minimum. The price jump reflects the added support and convenience built into the plan. The premium plan at $321.35 a month offers $100,000 or $300,000 liability limits and $100,000 property damage. The educational point here is that higher limits protect you from the accidents you cannot predict, the ones that cause real financial damage. And because roadside assistance and rental coverage are included automatically, this plan removes most of the what-ifs drivers worry about. In short, State Farm's pricing layout teaches a clear lesson. You are not just paying for coverage, you are paying to reduce risk. The more protection you choose, the less you leave to chance. Allstate displays its pricing in a very compact digital layout with 3 options. We've got our basic plan at $192 a month, standard at $273 a month, and enhanced at $317 a month. On the right-hand side, you will immediately see the total cost, $317 due monthly, or $1,902 for 6 months, along with a note that 3 discounts lowered the premium by $768. This makes it clear how much you're paying now and how much you are saving. What makes Allstate stand out is how transparently they break down every coverage. Bodily injury liability at $100K and $300K costs $612 over 6 months. Property damage at $100K costs $312. Medical payments at $5,000 cost $62. Uninsured motorist bodily injury costs $478. Collision and comprehensive clearly show both the deductibles and the exact price, $315 for collision and $73 for comprehensive. This breakdown teaches you exactly where your premium comes from. You can see which coverages cost the most, which ones cost the least, and how each protection affects your bottom line. It is great for drivers who want to understand their insurance instead of guessing what they are paying for. Allstate also shows what is not included, things like identity theft protection, uninsured motorist property damage, enhanced towing, and ride for hire coverage. Those not included notes remind you that not every policy is fully loaded, which helps you decide if you need upgrades or if the base plan fits your needs. Overall, Allstate's pricing page gives a clear, itemized look at the anatomy of a premium. It's straightforward, transparent, and easy to understand, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to see how their policy is built dollar by dollar. And that's a full walkthrough of State Farm versus Allstate auto insurance. Hopefully, this helped you understand how each company works and which one aligns better with your driving lifestyle. If you're someone who values reliability, simplicity, and a long-term insurance partner you can depend on, State Farm is the company that gives you that sense of stability. And if you want to get started with them, I have a link down below to make it easy. I'm Erin from Drivewise. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.